love non-conventional design, thinking outside the box, having really bold interiors, and bringing out a client's personality. Hi, I'm Lily Z with Lily Z Designs. I'm going to take you on a tour of our Battery Park City project. Come on. This is a 3-bedroom apartment. The goal of the project was to give it a modern, minimalist update. At the same time, we wanted it to be a place that adapts with a growing family. So this is actually where it all started, when my client called me and needed to transition their family home. This used to be a messy, outdated playroom, but these days everybody needs a home office/library. The furnishings in here, we really wanted to be casual and be able to be moved so that her daughters could do somersaults on the carpet. One of the staple pieces we wanted to incorporate into the project was this custom millwork. The client really craved modern minimalism, so we kept it neutral and sophisticated with beautiful brass accents. We just wanted to make it a clean slate. For the dining room, the client actually gave us her existing dining table. Luckily enough, it was a beautiful lacquered table. To bounce the light even more, we brought in these sculptural toys from the MoMA Museum that are chrome-plated and just give it a good shine. And just to soften everything, I brought in these beautiful boucle fabric chairs. The kitchen just needed a refresh, so me and the client chose this beautiful backsplash that has a nice minimalistic graphic. And of course, I'm a designer, so I'm obsessed with lighting, and we want everything shiny and acrylic, so we brought these beautiful lucite accent lights over the island. Since the kitchen is such a big open part of the apartment, I just wanted it to be part of the design conversation. Let me paint you a picture of what this living room used to look like. It used to be a big brown sectional and a teal studded ottoman. We just simplified all of that. I started out with this custom sectional and matching ottoman with clean lines and monochromatic color tones. One of my favorite pieces that we brought in is this accent chair. It's just the sweetest little thing. It feels like a big giant white teddy bear in the room. It came along with this ball pillow that the client's son just throws around the room. It's just such a fun piece for the family. To finish off the room, we designed this custom fitted carpet, and the colors and the patterns are inspired by the Hudson River right outside. This is the kids' wing. We really wanted to give it a youthful energy. It's where her kids do arts and crafts, make slime, play video games. So we took away the sharp lines, we brought in this organic round rug, and of course put out some bean bags so everybody can lounge and relax. And right this way is the kids' room. Follow me. Here we are in the daughter's room. She's a preteen girly girl with a love for fashion, so this room had to be all about her. The first thing we did is inspire the client to take photographs of her daughter in fun little costumes and put it around the vanity mirror because she's such a little darling. We added these purple touches to the wall coverings, and we brought these fun, sassy throw pillows because everybody loves a good pillow fight. Like much of the apartment, the principal bedroom also needed a refresh. So I started with this wall behind me and brought this beautiful ombre haze wall covering from Italy. And then I brought in these crystal quartz stone sconces because I love playing with all the design elements. Obviously, the bed is the biggest part of the room, so if you don't decorate the bed, it's not a decorated room. We brought these beautiful styled bedding and bolster accent pillows. Everything we brought into the space was meant to be calm and relaxing after a long, hectic workday. This project was all about making a modern space for my client's family to enjoy and grow in. I hope you enjoy taking a look.
Well, that was so much fun, but the fun doesn't have to end here. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for the best open house has to offer.